Hotel guest room supplies and amenities. Supplies vs amenities. Supplies. Supplies are the basic essential items provided to all guests like tooth kit, shampoo, soaps, glasses, water bottles, etc. Amenities. These are special items which are generally not available in all standard rooms and provided on special request of the guest or to some VIP or regular guests. Examples are fruit baskets, chocolates, flower bouquets, etc. Classification of guest supplies. Guest amenities. These are special items which are generally not available in all standard rooms and provided on special request of the guest or to some VIP or regular guests like fruit baskets, chocolates, flower bouquets, etc. Guest essentials. Guest essentials are usually marked by hotel logo and provided to meet basic need of the guests. These items are for continuous use and guests are not allowed to take away these items at the time of checkout. Like hangers, water flask, water glasses, ashtrays, D&D cards. Guest expendable. Guest expendables are placed to be used by the guest and these items can be taken by the guest at the time of checkout. Like tea/coffee sachet, laundry bag, shoe shiner, bath slipper, etc. Guest loan items. These items are proved on request that is to be used by the guest in hotel premises only. These items cannot be taken by the guest at the time of checkout. Like iron, ironing board, crib, electric razor, hot water bottles, etc. Guest room amenities. Complimentary beverages in minibar, coffee maker, chocolates, fruit baskets, bathrobes, complimentary snacks, luxury stationeries, coffee sachets, flower arrangements, /bouquets, quality pens. Bathroom amenities. Shower gel, shower cap, shampoo, toothpaste, dental kit, aftershave, mouthwash, body oil, face moisturizer, shaving cream, hair conditioner, sewing kit, loofah, scissor, shoe emids, fabric wash, perfume, facial packs, shoe horns, perfume, nail clipper, moisturizers, body powder.